Welcome to Jaenea HealingWeave family. I will guide you through this video to set up and use Jaenea Round Threads Punch Needle. This is the punch needle for our Round Threads Healing Weave. Twist off the cap, flip the needle's sharp tip outward, and reinsert it into the holder. Adjust the needle tip so that about 1.5 inches extend outward, then twist the cap back on securely. Insert the threader into the hole on the needle tube from the tip end and push it through until the tail exits the other side. Insert the yarn through the wire loop at the tail of the threader. Pull the threader through the needle tube, bringing the yarn with it. You may remove the threader at this point. Ensure the yarn passes through the needle eye, then adjust its length as needed. The punch needle is now ready for use, allowing you to begin your healing journey with punch stitching. After your first punch, keep the yarn tail behind the canvas and you're ready to continue stitching. Adjust the angled tip to point in the same direction as your stitches to create smooth and consistent loops. Relax, unwind, and enjoy the therapeutic art of crafting with Healing Weave, where every stitch brings joy and calm. Thank you, and enjoy your Healing Weave punch stitching.